In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a DocuSign template step by step, so you can save time and reuse your documents without starting from scratch every single time. If you regularly send contracts, agreements, onboarding forms, or any document that needs signatures, creating a template in DocuSign is a huge time saver. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can head directly to apps.docusign.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your DocuSign home dashboard, where you can manage envelopes, templates, and documents. From the top navigation menu, click on Templates. This will take you to the Template section, where you can see any templates you've already created. To create a new one, click on Create Template button. Now you'll be prompted to enter some basic information. Start by typing a name for your template. Make sure you choose a clear and descriptive name, like Client Agreement Template or Employee Onboarding Form, so you can easily identify it later. After naming your template, it's time to upload the document you want to turn into a reusable template. Click on Upload. Then choose the location of your file. If your document is saved on your computer, click on Desktop and select the file you want to use. You can upload PDFs, Word documents, and other supported file types. Once your document is uploaded, the next step is to fill in the recipients. This is where you define who will be signing or receiving the document. Add the recipient roles instead of specific names if you want the template to be reusable. For example, you can create roles like Client, Manager, or Employee. This allows you to assign different people to those roles each time you use the template. After setting up the recipients, click on Add Message. Here you can create a default email subject line and message that will be sent along with the document. This is helpful because it saves you from rewriting the same email every time you send the template. You can write something simple and professional that explains what the document is and what action is required. Once you've added your message, click on Next, Add Fields. This will open the document editor where you can place the necessary fields onto your document. On the left-hand side, you'll see different field options like signature, date signed, text, checkbox, and more. To add fields, simply drag and drop the elements onto the document where you want them to appear. For example, drag a signature field to the signature line, add a date sign field near it, and include any text fields if the signer needs to fill in information. Make sure each field is assigned to the correct recipient role. You can select the recipient at the top of the page and then place fields specifically for that person. This ensures that each signer only fills out the sections meant for them. Take your time to review the document and confirm that all required fields are added correctly. You can also mark certain fields as required, so the signer won't be able to complete the document without filling them in. Once everything looks good, click on Save and Close. Your template is now created and stored in the Template section of your DocuSign account. From now on, whenever you need to send that document, you can simply select the template, assign the recipients, and send it out in just a few clicks. This can dramatically speed up your workflow and keep your document process consistent and professional. And that's how you make a DocuSign template step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.